If you want to download and install Claude AI software on your MacBook, I show you how you need to do. So the first thing is turn on the Wi-Fi and open the browser you usually use. I just open Safari. You can literally use the browser you usually use. Click the search and type Claude AI. Here it shows the sponsor results. Scroll down. Here you can see Claude AI, and if you scroll down you can see download option. You just click that download and download for Mac. Hello, click this download option. So here you can see it's downloading in the background. It's 350 megabytes, 8 minutes. Just wait until it completes. Okay, now it's downloaded. Just open the app, double tap over that. Now move this into the application. Drag and drop. You need to wait. Keep wait. Okay, once you hear the sound, it's done. Close this. We don't need this anymore. You just click the apps and type Claude. Yeah, here you can see the first. Open that. Now you need to wait. First time only this will ask. Click open. And there you go. Get started and sign into your email, and that's it, you are done. This is how you need to do. And if you want to know more videos about MacBook, you need to watch this playlist.